Not the best tachometers, but then still better than the speed 400s. But somewhere around 6,500 at a brand new motorcycle. Okay, so for a motorcycle at 80 you would feel nothing. However, right now I in the footpath point in time, nothing in the handlebar. Let's take it up to 90. 90 is what? Between. So I have to keep my eyes on the road and glance for a millisecond at the ref counter and at the speedometer. So yeah, this would be somewhere around okay. Steady hand Shiraz. 7,500 or thereabouts. That mild buzz in the foot pegs has increased, but nothing to complain about. Okay, at 8,000 rpm, alright, that was somewhere around 98 kilometers per hour. Okay, and what is this? 8100, 8200 rpm, 100 now. Okay, that buzz in the foot pegs can be termed as vibration. Okay, and now the seat also has vibrations. $9,000 is what? 106. Whatever, slightly fast. 9,010. An increment in vibration overall, but nothing that would rattle you. By the way, the top speed is limited to 120. 120 meter. Now, ideally, after the first, okay, the owner should have the option of taking the limiter off, but I really do not think that would be the case here, which is disappointing, because come on, a top speed of 120, not done. KTM, not done. I was expecting it to be at least 130, 135. So, see, you would not ride like this, but why won't you? You are riding a KTM. So the only way to tour on this motorcycle, okay, at a fast pace would be, you wound the throttle completely, and honestly, you would not be phased by the vibrations unless you are assisting. In that case, get one of those washing machines on wheels, also known as electric motorcycles. Real motorcycles might not be your thing. So yeah guys, that was the long and short of it. Okay, yes, you can tour on this motorcycle. 80, 90, 100 would be really pleasant, and if you are an experienced rider who does not care much about vibrations, you can even just keep the throttle wide open and reach your destination a bit quicker. So guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Do hit that like button, do leave a comment, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.